After this simple explanation, you will understand what machine learning is. I'll also show you practical examples where you'll realize that you are already using machine learning in your day-to-day life. Machine learning is about learning from examples and making predictions based on patterns. Imagine a friend learning to identify different fruits. You show them pictures of apples, oranges, and bananas, and tell them what each one is. Over time, your friend notices patterns. Apples are red or green, oranges are orange, and bananas are yellow. So, next time they see a yellow fruit, they predict it's a banana. This is the essence of machine learning. You probably already use machine learning without realizing it. Think about your email spam filter. It decides what is spam by learning from past examples, analyzing thousands of emails, and recognizing patterns in spam and real emails. The more it sees, the better it gets at filtering spam. Another everyday example is streaming services like Netflix or Spotify. They recommend movies, shows, or songs based on your past behavior. By tracking what you watch or listen to and finding patterns in your preferences, they predict what you might enjoy next. The more you use these services, the better they get at personalizing suggestions. Machine learning is also used in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. When you ask for the weather or set a reminder, they understand and respond because they've been trained on large amounts of voice data. In e-commerce, machine learning helps online stores recommend products. When you shop on Amazon, it suggests items based on your past purchases and browsing history, much like a personal shopper. So, as you can see, machine learning is all around us, making our lives easier and more personalized. From filtering spam emails to recommending your next favorite show, machine learning is a big part of modern technology and will only become more important and widespread. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos with easily explained topics around AI and technology, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.